Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with a little Quince haul. Nothing crazy, but I wanted to show you the good stuff that I grabbed. How are we feeling about this pop collar? I'm kind of vibing with this. I don't know. It covers up my neck tattoo, which I like desperately would love to get removed because I hate it, but also like don't care that much because I don't see it. So I don't think it's there, but I know it's there. So I would love to get it removed, but it's just like, I don't know. There's other things I'd rather spend my money on, like clothes, clearly, whatever, I don't really care. Anyways, let's talk about the first piece. You can obviously wear this down, but this chocolate brown, I used to have a sweater like this from Quince, I think in gray, if I'm not mistaken, but I lost it. I literally have no idea where it went. I had it in Illinois, so it's been a long time since I misplaced it. I for the life of me, cannot remember. And honestly, for the life of me, don't know as I've ever done that before. Maybe I accidentally gave it donated it or something. I don't know. I really, truly have zero idea. Anyway, when I saw they came out in the chocolate brown in this, everything brown to me is just everything. Arlo always corrects me on it though. He's like, why is it chocolate brown? I'm like, I don't know. It's just brown. You're right. I don't know why I say chocolate brown, but I love this. Super happy to have this back in my life. I love this like kind of zipped up like slightly with a white tee underneath. Adorable, adorable. It's giving Dracula. Perfect time for Halloween. Oh, we also decided on our Halloween costumes yesterday. Arlo decided, I was like giving him some ideas and he saw Baby Yoda and wants me to be Princess Leia, and I have not decided what Scott's gonna be yet. He needs to give some input, but it's gonna be the first year we don't like homemade costumes, just because I've like also thought about this thing. I probably should save this for my other channel. I'll share it at the end, okay? Because you're probably here for this. And then if you care to listen, you can continue tuning in. Let's move on to the next piece, is the next pair of jeans. I actually ordered a wide leg pair of jeans, but they have not yet shipped. So hopefully they get to me in like a dark, dark color, which I'm excited. I've never tried their wide legs. I have tried these, I believe these are the Bella Straight or something or other. I don't actually know what these are. They're the Bella Straight? No, these are, maybe they're Bella, I don't know. They're the stretch, mid-rise, slim, straight jean. They are very slim, straight, okay? So almost borderline between a skinny jean and a straight jean, go figure, right? A slim, but they're stretchy, so I feel like they're even more. I get my jeans from Quince in a 27. I could do a 26, but I just prefer with a stretchy jean to have more room so it's not as like thigh hugging, if that makes sense. Because I feel like, especially with skinny jeans, or skinnier jeans, if you have really tight thighs, then it doesn't like flow from the knee down. Do you know what I mean? Can hit at a weird point, but love these so much. I needed a good good pair of black, more fitted jeans for like nights out. These would look super cute with heels, flats. I got the length 30, which I think is good for my want to wear with these, but if you want them to be a full length jean, obviously they come in 32s, but I like these. I like a slightly like ankle, almost like a cigarette pant, if you remember those cigarette jeans. They look great with flats, heels. These jeans are great tucked into boots as well. So I love the versatility of these and not just like a full-on skinny. Yeah, love. So got these in a 27-30 and I'm in love. I love that all the details on the buttons are black and they just are a very sleek pair of jeans. I used to own something very similar to this from Abercrombie a long, long time ago, but now the only jeans that I own are like I own the Abercrombie 90s high-rise straight, whatever they are. They're like a baggier jean, whereas these are more of a fitted jean. So I have both options, but I needed just a good pair of black jeans, and these are black. These are not like a gray black. These are so good. So super excited. I think I have these exact jeans in the white. They're more of a mid-rise too. They're not super high-rise. Mid to, not low-rise, but mid-rise. But oh, such a good find. Okay, the next thing though, do not sleep on Quince's like pajama loungewear. I was putting on my Cozy Earth pajamas the other night, which I have a pair of Cozy Earth, and then I have a couple of other pairs, and then I have a pair from Quince. I need to buy more from Quince because my Cozy Earth ones, the elastic is like popping out the top. I've had those for probably 3 to 4 years. I love pajamas, and I have another pair. These were in their like lounge PJ area. I don't even know how to explain this material. It's fuzzy and soft and fleecy inside. Well, I can explain it to you because I can tell you it, girl. Durr. This is, I think, modal, polyester, recycled polyester, and spandex. It's stretchy, but it's like silky on the outside, like almost feels like it would be not fuzzy on the inside, but it is fleece on the inside. I get my pants in Quince in a medium. These are big. I will say they kind of like hang off the body. They have a drawstring, and I don't want my shorts like all up squeezing me, okay? I want them very loose, very flowy, very like fall off the body, intentionally big. And I also like my shorts to not like come even close to hugging my thighs. I want them to fall my thighs. I just like it that way. That's how I can truly be like comfy. This is like a set that I could wear and look cute in, but also bum on the couch in. Obsessed. This is a black color. I wish that they had other colors. They might, I don't know, I don't remember. I'm sure they do, maybe they didn't have my size, but yes, I need these in way more colors. So the shorts, and then I grabbed this like scuba sort of like neck. It's kind of, this is the softest thing I've ever felt. I'm in love, okay? I got makeup on it too, so you can probably see that. I don't understand the like strings here because it's like a mock neck, but it's like a turtleneck, but it's got these strings. It doesn't matter, it's cute, but would I pull them? Not really, unless I was like skiing with this. But this is so good. Again, I got this and I wanna say, yes, a medium. It's oversized, which I like. I wanted it big. I could have done my true to size, but again, I wanted it more oversized, so I went with the size medium. The sleeve length on this is perfect. There is no like thumb holes or anything like that. There are no pockets in the top. It's kind of just a basic plain sweatshirt, or yeah. And then it's got like, I guess a stitching detail here. And then it does have stitching details down the sides. I don't know if you can see it. But, oh, this thing, I wish you could feel it, is so incredibly soft. And I don't have a black like sweatsuit like this. I know it's gonna be covered in dog hair, but I really don't care. Plus, the fact that it's not cotton makes me believe that the color is gonna stay rich and deep, I'm hoping. Okay, next up, sweater. This sweater, I need to double check on the website. It looks like it's inside out, but it's not on this piece anyways. I don't know. Okay, so this is it's new, I think. This is their cashmere, like funnel neck sort of sweaters, which I love these. They're almost like a boat neck sweater, turtleneck, mock neck. It's a mock neck, but I think they're called funnel necks because it's not like a tight neck. I love this. I think it's so chic with a pulled back bun. Oof, everything. I got this in a gray, but I will say, like, look at do you see the stitching? Doesn't it look inside out? Because then look at the inside, looks like that. The way it should, I feel like, but maybe I'm wrong. But I mean, all the stitching is definitely this way. Like, it's not like I just have it inside out. Like, I couldn't right side out it. Like, the inside stitch is the inside stitch. It doesn't bother me. I'm just like, is it, I don't know, when I pulled it out, I was like, is this inside out? So I'm not sure. I would have to like double check on the website. I feel like it would look prettier on the inside out, but such is life, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I'll look and double check. But I like the detailing. There's some subtle detailing here at the neck. And I grabbed this in a large because I did want it to be oversized. It is very boxy. And then one thing to note is the sleeves kind of come to a little bit tighter. Nothing crazy tight, but just a little bit of a cinched in wrist, which is nice. So I love this. I think this looks really great with those black jeans, but also with the next item, my last item that I'm going to show you, which is another pair of silk pants. Okay, I have these already. I had them. I dried them. Do not dry your silk pants. Honestly, I really don't even recommend washing them. I just feel like I should have hand washed my, which ones did I recently wash? I think my maroon ones. They ended up being fine, but I just prefer the sheen on them, and I wish, I'm just gonna get some like hand wash sort of detergent to do in my like laundry room sink because I have the space to do it. There's really no reason not to, but these silk pants are great. If they had them in chocolate brown, there I go again, they had them in a milk chocolate, no, just if they had them in chocolate, or Jesus, Lord help us, if they had them in, does this say hand wash? Sure does. Oh no, it says machine wash. Oh, turn inside out. That's what I should do. Do not tumble dry. No, do not tumble dry. If they had these in brown, I would buy them so fast. You know, I ended up buying, if you watch my recent Abercrombie haul, I ended up buying their satin pants. They're polyester pants, which are nice, but these I love way better. I also get these in a medium. I own 3 colors in these now. I get them in a medium for 2 reasons. Again, I want them to flow on the body. I don't think the leg on these are like super wide, unlike the Abercrombie ones, which are way wide. And there's a drawstring, so you can tie the waist. I also feel like this elastic is pretty strong, and the medium just fits me overall better than the small does. So I own these in a yellow color, which is perfect for spring, and then I own them in the wine tasting color, and then the navy again is back in my life. I would love to grab black. I don't think they even have black. Maybe they do. They go in and out of stock for everything, and so just know that, like, their stuff is very popular and they just go in and out of stock of everything. So always join their wait list. They will let you know if it's going to be restocked, which is incredible. The fact that people even run a website without doing like, let me know when it comes back in stock, drives me bananas. Like, no. Abercrombie, wait, what? How are you not notifying? Like, that's my biggest issue. Like, ma'am, drive me nuts. Like, I will go back to your site if you told me, you know? Like, it makes no sense to not drive people back. But anyway, I digress. They will let you know if it's coming back when you sign up to be waitlisted, and they send you the emails, and it's typically really quick when it comes back in stock. But if you're not on the wait list, the people who were on the wait list are going to get notified first, and it's going to sell out again. So use the wait list feature. But that is it. Not a huge haul. I also did pick up, what else did I pick up? I picked up coasters. I'll put up a picture on the screen for my dining room table. These are super cute. I was worried the rattan would be really thick, like towards the middle where the braiding is, and then it would like be weird for glasses to sit on, but it's not. They're very cute. I think I'm gonna get another pack because my table actually seats 8 and I only have a pack of 6. Doesn't it? Yeah, it seats 8. So I think I'm gonna get another pack. That's that. Okay, and then the other thing that I grabbed also was a little sweater for my mother-in-law. So she wanted this like sweater vest that she had seen. I own it, so I grabbed her one of those. So it's over there. So if you're watching this, I have your sweater, okay? Anyway, oh, also, okay, now we can talk about the Halloween thing really quick, okay? If you're done, bye. But if you're here, you're here, okay? So I'm gonna be Princess Leia, Arlo's gonna be Baby Yoda. So I was looking at DIY Baby Yodas, right? And here I was like, because I was like going to buy the costume, and I was like, $60 for a costume seems bananas. Like, what? $60 for a little kid costume he's gonna wear one time. But this kid will not just wear it one time. He will wear it multiple times, because that hot rod costume that I made him, he can no longer wear it because it's too small for him, but he wore the heck out of it. Anyhow, where was I going with this? Oh, I was like, okay, so it's $60, whatever. Then I was like, I could make that. And then I was like, in my brain last night on the couch, I even admitted this out in the open with Scott. I was like, you know, I'm like, oh, I don't want to purchase on this order because it's going to be more expensive, or going to be expensive. But I'm like, I can DIY that. But then I'm like, I'm going to spend more money trying to buy the pieces that go to this costume to never really be able to use them again. I might as well just buy the dang costume. So that was my revelation. Now, don't get me wrong. I love a good DIY costume. I love using what we already have. We had nothing, Baby Yoda, okay? We had nothing to make me Princess Leia. So I had to like make it work. But anyway, that's all I'm saying is I came to that realization, growing maturity, you know, that not every piece or not everything that I can DIY is more cost effective to DIY. Does it make it better? Yes, but a costume is like a one-time use. So like, does it need to be better? Struggles. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed my Quince haul. Thank you for staying if you listened to my little rambly bits. But, and thank you so much for watching. And if you picked up anything recently from Quince, let me know, because I need to know as well. I already have my cart full of things that I'm ready to buy. Okay? Oh, I see a doggy. They're just constantly putting up newness, so I need more and more. I hope they come out with more suede bags and more shoes. But anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you in my next one very, very soon.